The boats go all the way back to a wooden model from 1948. The big thing that I see is that the product design has always been very purpose-oriented. My name is Jeff Wooldridge. I've been at Skeeter for about 25 years, and I'm over sales and marketing. Coming off Skeeter's 75th anniversary, I think it's very important to emphasize that we're always going through looking for continuous improvement opportunities, trying to constantly change our factory and the work environment for the betterment of our employees, and just trying to build really good product. Being here 25 years, what I can tell you is that we have a lot of people here that have been here longer and take a lot of pride in what they do working for Skeeter. We've got a lot of cultural diversity, but at the same time, the individuals here are very dedicated to their craft, and are proud to live in East Texas, close to a lot of different impoundments, bodies of water where the product gets used, and just really understand the importance of how the boat is built and what it's used for. Being part of the Yamaha organization, we're making investments in our factory, and that's only going to continue into the future.
My name is Jose G. Rodriguez. Been here for 26 years. Started off at the gel coat, putting pinstripes on these hulls and decks. Worked my way all the way up. There's a problem that you have, there's always going to be somebody to help you with it. So that's basically it, the people out here.
What we do at Skeeter that makes our quality process, I believe, stand out from the others is that we involve every department from the time the phone rings that somebody makes an order all the way through the time we put it on a ship, on a truck, and send it to the dealer. I am Chris Jacobus, Quality Manager, Skeeter Products. We're QC, the best part I think about the QC is everybody within the quality department and everybody at Skeeter, we use the product. Everybody here uses the product. So we not only do we use it while we're here at work, we use it on the weekends. We fish for our kids in high school fishing, we captain for our kids, so we know what we want it to look like, we know how it wants to perform. But the best part of that is if it's not performing the way we think it needs to, we have the ability to change that. What makes Skeeter work culture different is you get to work on a product that you thoroughly enjoy.